Haven't you ever wondered if there was a way that you could care for your pet without any negative connotations or side effects? No expensive medications with unknown chemicals that you can barely even pronounce? Imagine not having the big pharmaceutical companies tell you that their specific drug is the only option you have. What about a safe, natural alternative way? Well, if you're thinking, yes, that sounds perfect, well, you're not alone. Let's dive into the world of holistic pet care, a topic that's gaining quite a lot of attention and support from pet owners these days, and we'll break it down into the good, the bad, and what the future holds. Hello everyone, and welcome to Zoomies. So if you're looking for a natural, chemical-free way to keep your pet healthy, holistic pet care might seem like the perfect solution. They're offering treatments that claim to work in harmony with nature without the side effects of conventional medicines. But before diving in, it's important to understand both the promises and the risks. Let's start with the appeal of holistic pet care. At its core, holistic pet care focuses on treating the whole animal and not just the disease at hand. It uses natural therapies like herbal remedies, Chinese medications, acupuncture, and dietary adjustments to help your pets heal. So, as you can understand, many pet owners are drawn to this approach because it just seems more natural, less invasive, and free from all the side effects that pharmaceutical drugs seem to have. These practices are also a very common go-to for us as humans, so of course it would just be normal for us to want to give our pets the same treatment. Let's take herbal medicine for instance. For centuries, humans have used herbs to treat ailments, and many holistic vets believe that these natural remedies can support a pet's body in a very similar way, boosting immune function, improving digestion, and just promoting overall well-being without using harmful chemicals. Holistic care also puts a huge emphasis on diet. Many holistic vets believe that food is medicine and that a balanced, species-appropriate diet can prevent many health issues in pets. And in a world where we're constantly hearing about the overuse of antibiotics and chemicals, it's easy to see why pet owners might want to prefer this natural approach. But as good as it sounds, holistic care has its limitations, and these aren't just my opinions. The Royal Veterinary College, or the RCVS, is one of the UK's leading veterinary authorities, and they have raised concerns about the lack of scientific evidence behind many holistic treatments. They've stated that while holistic care can complement conventional treatments, it shouldn't replace proven science-based approaches, especially for serious medical conditions. Back in their 2017 statement, the RCVS made it clear that veterinary treatments should be supported by evidence-based or sound scientific principles. And unfortunately, many holistic therapies, including homeopathy, don't meet this standard. And without robust scientific studies to back their effectiveness, the RCVS warns that relying solely on these treatments could compromise your pet's health. Also, the British Small Animal Veterinary Association, or BSAVA, echoes these concerns, pointing out that while complementary therapies can be useful, they should be used alongside of and not instead of conventional medicine. They emphasize that many complementary treatments are not scientifically validated, and there are risks involved in overlooking more serious conditions that require immediate, proven medical intervention. Another perspective comes from the St. George's University, which also acknowledges that while some pet owners see the value in holistic care, the scientific support isn't there for these treatments. They warn about non-licensed practitioners who might misdiagnose or even overlook dangerous conditions, which could lead to a delayed or just an inappropriate care for these animals. But then there's also the cost. While holistic treatments like acupuncture or herbal remedies might seem gentler, they can be really expensive. Many of these therapies require multiple sessions or long-term care, adding up over time. And remember, if a critical condition is missed, you could end up facing an even bigger veterinary bill down the road despite already paying for everything that you've done up until that point. So where does this leave us? the future of veterinary care may lie in what's called integrative medicine. This is an approach that combines the best of both worlds. Integrative medicine doesn't pit holistic care against conventional medicines, but instead it blends the two together. It acknowledges the importance of your pet's diet, lifestyle, and overall well-being, while also recognizing the irreplaceable role that scientifically proven treatments can play in keeping your pets healthy. Think of it as very similar to you in healthcare, right? We focus on eating well, staying active, managing stress, but when serious conditions arise, we don't hesitate to use medications, go to surgery, or other conventional treatments that are proven to work. So with integrative medicine, you can use holistic treatments to support your pet's health and wellness, while still ensuring that serious medical conditions are treated with evidence-based, scientifically sound methods. In the end, it's all about balance. All the major veterinary scientific boards agree that your pet's health should always come first, and that means making informed, science-backed decisions. Holistic care can play a role, but it should never replace conventional medicine when your pet's life is at stake. A philosophy that I actually live by is that there is space for all the types of medicine in the medical field, and that includes both science-based medicine or pharmaceutical-grade medicine, as well as natural, holistic care or homeopathy, and that the choice is yours to make and that you should never be limited to one or the other. If you're interested in finding out more about how you can give your pet the best of both worlds, make sure to subscribe to our channel. And until next time, cheers.